Alright, so before removal of this lower control arm, I'm going to show you what we're going to do. First, you want to mark up these alignment bolts. One right here, there's one in the rear, I already marked it. And then where's the other one? It's right there, I aligned it, and the rear as well. So you just kind of save the specs, but still, after removal of this bushing, we still want to align this car. Just, I don't really have the time, so I don't want to do this today, because I'm still replacing these tires, so we'll do it later. But the sizes for these bolts, 18 all around, front rear for the alignment bolts. Then we got this nut for the strut. This side is 18, and then we got a 24 millimeter 12-point socket. Or I use probably gonna use a wrench and just hold it in place as I take it off from this side. And then also you have this ball joint, and you want to remove this, and it's a 27 millimeter 12-point. So we're about to do all of this, and the reason we're doing it this way is because we don't want to loosen that nut down there for the knuckle. So we don't want to remove all the sensors and all that. So we're gonna just try to remove this a little faster, and I think it should work just as fine. All right, you guys, so my Panamera was making a little hollow sound going over bumps, and I found out that the bushing is bad on the control arm. So here we have it at the press, and I'm about to press out the bushing, and I'll show you the crack after it's out. Alright, so we So we just pressed out the bushing, and just wanted to show you, as you could see, there's a crack forming on this side and all right here. So I'm hoping this is the one that's causing the sound as I turn. It's like a little clunking, and the wheel is kind of loose when you turn full lock. So here's the bushing, we got the new one, and try to press it in right now. Alright, so here's the new one, we're putting it on, and we're just going to align these little marks right here. So we just got the setup aligned, and here's the press, and we're about to press this bushing in. Faster, bro. Faster. I'm just kidding. Well, it's going in, so looking good so far. So we just buttoned up the suspension, got the wheels together, tightened the wheel nuts to torque, factory spec. You know how the drill goes. And anyways, about to go on a little test drive, and in a short little bit, I'll let you know if I still hear that suspension noise. Alright, you guys, so I'm going home now. Just got on the freeway, and I did a couple turns, full lock turns, U-turns, and just normal city driving. I'd have to say that little rattle hollow sound is still there, but it did go away about 30-40%. So that, to me, like, I thought that would maybe fix it, but I think it's something else, so I'll have to keep tackling that noise. But I do have to add that the steering feels a lot tighter, so when I'm doing turns and whatnot, it feels like a Porsche should feel, I guess, that's what I should say. Because before it was a little loose, like the steering wasn't so tight, but now it feels a lot better. I mean, I only drove for a little bit, but I already noticed an improvement, so that's cool. And also before, when I would do like a full U-turn or full lock, I would have like wheel hop, or I don't know if that's what it's called, but these wheels are 20-inch wheels with tires that are low pros and pretty wide. So when you do a full lock, I would expect that, I guess. I'm not sure, but I'll still do some more research on how these cars drive. But these tires are shot, so I'm gonna have to replace them, which the tires are coming in. So pretty much I'll replace the tires, that's all I gotta do. Get the Pt.3 sensors registered, get that light squared away. Then also the headlight module is coming in also. Replace that. As you can see, I only have one headlight working right now. The module's not in place. The old one was a aftermarket one, and it was flickering, so that did not work out for me. So I had to go and get a headlight module. So pretty much almost all done. And once I'm finished with this car completely, because that's what I want to do, I want to finish it all the way, I'll let you guys know. I'll do an in-depth video of what I replaced and how much this Porsche Panamera cost me. So stay tuned, I guess, subscribe. I have a couple videos, you guys seen it. Gotta say thanks for staying with me and on my channel. I'm out. Peace.